Alright boys, so I'm sorry I didn't film the install. You know, it's just, I hate wiring looms through the car to get to this thing. I got really frustrated and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna film anymore. So I apologize, but I got everything set up. I installed the fuel pump, I left everything undone just in case I have to take it out, but I did prime it. Watch. Let's see if I can do. So you can hear it priming. It primes pretty gnarly. So it's running 265 gram. I checked for all my leaks. Right, so you're gonna want to check right here. I took those big white clips off because I hate those things. And I mean, they're not really necessary, but you should run them, but you don't have to. There's the other one. Right. That's the line. I ran the line, boom, all the way around. Sorry. So the line comes down. I'm following it with my hand and comes around right here. And then my E85 sensor is way back there. You can see that orange clip. Everything's primed, nothing's leaking. Let's start this up, boys. I primed this thing like 10 times. I'm gonna do the first startup with you guys because 9 Civic's my boys. I'm so nervous. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes, yes. I love when installs go smooth, baby. Although, I know we gotta work on the tune. This is the first revision. You can see, like, when I press on the gas pedal, that's a little sluggish. And I'm kind of trying to figure out why it's not saying my car's cold. But you do have to plug the sensor into one of your ECT number 2, so let's put on some live data log and we'll see where our airflow is running at. So you can see the air-fuel ratio is it's actually stellar. So it would be about 14.7, which is still a little bit over, but like I said, we're still working on the tune. So Steve from E-Tunes is going to be tuning my car. He's going to do the full tune. I'm retuning everything. And hell yeah, I'm stoked. Let's get this tune started. Peace.